Today we're going to look at a special function, which is the firewall security group, how to manage the security group on a running instance. So with the security group, we define the traffic that goes in and out of your server. So today we are going to create a simple, just a very simple server, and with limited security information, that means access to the server. So we are going to select the basic protocol, and then we can amend it to make it public. So I'll use the Amazon Linux directly. So the AMI remains default Amazon Linux. The instant type remains default. So I'm going to select my key pair. So, or I can create a new one. So because it's a simple server, the network information, I'll leave it as default. The subnet, which has to do with the availability zone, I'll leave it no preference. Public IP is enabled. Now here, I'm not going to select existing. I'm just going to use allow the SSH traffic. So this is the only allowed here. So I should have included the public IP, which is the HTTP or HTTPS, but I'm going to select just this, but want to access this server over the internet. So that simply means for we to achieve this, we need to include this other protocol, either the HTTP or HTTPS. So I'm going to launch this server. Pretty much very simple. So come to the instance, it's running. We're waiting for the heads check. So we give it at least 3 minutes to get the update. So I've successfully updated this, and you can see the status as 2 of 2 check passed. So let's try to connect and see what the outcome would be. Trying to connect this. Okay, this is perfectly fine. So let's go back and check the security group and then make a change on our security group. So I come to security group. Let's see what we have available. We have just one port, which is the 22. So this is private, not public. So definitely I need to include port 80 and 443. So what do I need to do? Very straightforward and easy. All I need to do is just come to action, come to security, and then I make a change of my security group. So at this point, I'll come to, so I'm going to select from here and add. So we have 2 security group here, the default and the additional security group. I'll click on save. At this point, I have 2 security group. Let's see what the outcome would be. Security. We can see we have all the ranges here. 22 ports. You can see an additional 80, 443, and we have 3389. So we have successfully amended the security group of the running instance. So if an instance is running, you can always amend the security group. So this So with this, let's just run a quick check. So now we're going to run a quick check on our Apache server, put in our line command to see, to install and to update the instance. Okay. So the configuration now is successfully done. This is made possible because we amended the security group, so we are able to access the public server using the line command. So thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed the session. Very straightforward. Launch your instance, go to the action. You On the action you can modify your security group, grant access to the public IP. Thank you.